I just took her name and made that bitch a LLC. Stuff a couple stacks up in there, bitch, get on your feet. You make twice as much if you switch it up just to see.
Hey y'all, so I'm back with a video. 1 week update on this hair from Allove Hair. So this hair is from Allove Hair. So far this hair it's legit to me, you know. I don't have any alarming issues about this hair. It does snag sometimes, but it's not something that is really a big deal to me. The hair sheds every now and again, like if I brush it like this straight through, I got one strand, so, and that's most likely from my frontal. It's super durable when flat ironing, so I don't have any issues with flat ironing. It's not like turning any type of other color. It's not, smoke doesn't come out of it. It flat irons well. The frontal is still okay, it's still good. It's actually a little old, so it's time for it to, like, you know, come up. It's time for it to come up and get laid back down, so it's about that time. I had it store for a week, so this is me wearing it on my head for a week, me wrapping it up. When I go to bed, I do put it in a low ponytail, or I do wrap it in a bun. I do use my clips to, like, hold it up here because it's a little heavy. I do tie it down with my scarf right here. It's a little dirty because of my makeup, but I tie it down with my scarf right on the frontal, so it's nice and secure. So when I'm in the shower, you know, it won't like slide back. Also, when I do go to sleep, I keep this secured on my frontal, but I wear my black hair scarf. The frontal is not giving me no issues. It's not like balding or nothing. So if you want to see a video on me installing my frontal, I did do a video on me installing my closure unit. If you want, I can actually link that down below so you can check it out. But if you want to see me lay down my frontal, just like this video, and I'll definitely make a video of me laying down this unit. Yeah, so far I don't have any issues. This is 1 week. The lace lays down so easy. It's not new, so I don't want to get too close, like, but if you want to see how I bleached my frontal, I will also list a video down below so you can see how I achieve bleaching my knots. But let me show you the hair. The hair is so I will list the link down below for the hair. But yeah, this is the hair after 1 week. So thank y'all for watching, and I will check y'all out in my next video. So peace.